Hello guys, and we are playing Pet Simulator, guys. So, trying to make a dark matter, guys. And guys, look at our pet. We only need one more rainbow spike to make
a dark matter.
Yeah. And
so, how good a dark matter is?
Spike's dark matters are not that good. Well, I got a better one that is on 7 million, but it's gonna be better than my rainbow one, so at least I could equip like that. So yeah, come on, need to buy more. Yeah, just keep getting more spike. Guys, even if we do make a dark match, I'm gonna still carry on the series. Just saying, so we're gonna carry on the series. Sorry if you can hear some things in the background, but yeah, because guys, we are gonna just even if we do make a dark matter, a spike, I still want to make like a better one because it's not that good, and I got a better pet than that. It is on 7 million. Yeah, he just traded it for free. I know it's an accident.
Why do you get
I don't know. Just because you have to do like good people, they're just like, oh, I'll just get my worst pet, and then the worst pet is actually good for us. Yes. And guys, even if we do make a dark match, I want to make a better one. Because we're still going to do the series. That was probably going to be like 20 series then if we want to make a better. Little magic fox style. Guys, leave in the comments down below if we do make a spike, a dark matter spike. Leave in the comments, shall I make what's it called again? Let me see. These are the dark matter or the magic foxes. The magic foxes is a challenge. So yeah. All of you, most of you, don't really then I'll just choose. Which is probably going to be the cat, not the magic fox, because they're way. Not really. Oh yeah, I need to clear my Yes! I'll change you all these. And my magic foxes. Yeah? I'll change all them and... Yeah.
Well, I'm not.
I just hear the windows. I hear the windows. Can't wait any longer. Just gonna put the video into my face to get some Guys, my sister's here finally. But we're in the winter wonderland.
I'm just gonna get rid of some. Not yet.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get rid of some of the
Fine.
Delete. Bye-bye.
No, all I want is the big giant penguin. Like the giant penguin, and it's not even that giant. So let me show you, Mel. Oh. Let me show you the world. No. Look, I want that penguin. That penguin.
Why do you want that?
Because it's and it's so good. I actually got the rainbow, but then I deleted it because it's only on level million.
Why is it
No, these ones always are technically on million. This egg, all that, like mostly all the pets are on a million. If you get these ones. So yeah. Why are you still loading? Are you? We connect. We connect. We connect. We connect. Ah, why is this not spawning? Oh.
Where do you want to meet me?
I don't know. in the winter wonderland.
No, wagon, that's not what the talking.
Yes, it's here.
Winter Wonderland, go.
Well, this is going free.
Winter Wonderland, Winter Wonderland. Ready? Ready! 3, 2, 1. Build a trade a snowman.
No. What has I done? Oh, I have this. Change. With a computer. With another computer. Please.
I'm just gonna delete a few more pets.
3. 3.
When I thought the Dominus pet.
Oh.
I have a rainbow cat that's someone.
3.
Lord, I could make a dark matter with the rainbow cat. But I don't know how many I need then. I don't know how many I need.
You need a dark. It's only going to be on like level 34.
That is terrible. Okay.
And also you need 5.
Why is it telling me to reconnect again?
Because we're connected.
Why doesn't this game like me anymore? I used to be like your number one fan. But,
No, you never. You used to hate this game.
what do you mean I used to hate this game?
You said you did.
That's mine in simulator. Got bored of it.
So, no.
Okay.
Hey.
Now we try again.
We're the bros. Look at us. We're the same.
Wait. How did that happen?
I don't know. That's what our friend did. How's that sound? Yeah. Who is saying 3?
3.
Because when this chest opens, I won't pause it.
So,
Guys, we're so close.
yes.
Yes. That's not that much.
It opens. How much did it give you?
Only 4,907.
I don't know how much it is. Yeah, probably give me that too.
No, because you did it before. You did it after me, so you won't get that much.
Yeah, but I started.
Do I need to clear my inventory?
Hey, Aaron.
No.
Remember you didn't trade me that pet?
Yeah.
You have traded me. Yeah. I was going to say yes.
No.
Pet? Do you want any pets in return?
No.
Okay, which pet?
This magic fox, this magic fox, this magic. I know I'm doing you bad this one, but it'll start you off to getting more golden
Hey, Lord,
pets.
I already have one, nothing more than that. So, wait, how many golden foxes do you have?
8.
So, can I just get 2 more until I get 10 and I can make it out?
That'll take forever.
Wait, how many are you giving me? What pets are you giving me? Why are you giving me so many?
Oh!
Did you get first sample tray?
Yes.
How did that happen?
You just.
How? How did that happen?
Just trade.
Wait, how many packs are you giving me?
Loads. Quite a few.
You're giving me all of them?
Yeah. And all my magic foxes, even though magic foxes are rare. They're ready.
Oh, yeah. They have like do you want anything in return?
Nope, I'm good.
Oh, I don't have enough to trade.
Oh my.
How many pets? I'll get rid of like 20.
No, that will
I'm
take too
gonna get
long.
rid of them all.
Delete them all.
Eat them all. No, I've eaten them all. Okay, I'm gonna have to cancel trade this time.
Oh my god, I'm just not trading you. I'm just gonna delete you. I'm just gonna delete the cats because I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. Yes, now I can maybe. No, I need more. What? This sucks. It barely gave me any page. Oh, it actually did. Oh my god. There you got a fast, whatever it's called. See, Mel, look how much it gives you. Reindeer. Oh, that's one of the rare. Not rares, but like question mark. Oh, a gingerbread. Well, no. What did I get? Yes, I got one of those. Yay. See, Mel, look, I got this out of the second bestest. Level a million. I know it's so beautiful. Maybe better trade quick. That's enough. No, that. There's only 3 pay. Says I'm in a trade session with you. Oh. Okay, well I'm not trading you this time. What?
You not see? No, they cancelled the trade. They had a pet that gave you like 65
That's not that much.
Okay, yeah, trade. Are you gonna trade?
Yes, you just do it.
You traded me all of them.
All my magic
How many do you
foxes.
have?
Only 8. Not that many.
So, can I make like a whatever you can make with the magic boxes?
You only need 2 more magic foxes until you can make a magic fox gold.
How much would that give you?
More than the golden spike.
So, what ones do you get the magic boxes out of?
And I'm gonna give you 2 golden amethyst cats.
What then do you what do you get like the foxes out of? Which one do you
Oh.
get them from?
There. Huh?
Which one do you get them from?
What do you mean, like?
No, it's telling me to reconnect again. Why? Why is it doing this?
Well, the trade is completed.
The game doesn't like me. The game doesn't like me.
Crossing is. I've got reindeer and. No, I don't want to trade you. He's a noob! His name is called Noob.
Okay, the trade is
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I don't think this game likes me anymore. But why, game? I think
Why? You did.